Welcome to a Cappy's app exclusive. We are fortunate enough to get our hands on 30 bottles of Jefferson's Presidential 16-year-old bourbon. This juice was limited to just 10,000 bottles worldwide. This limited release 94 proof bourbon first saw 11 years in a new charred American oak barrel before being transferred into a heavily charred oak barrel for an additional 5 years, adding more flavor. We hope you will take advantage of this limited time offer, and we're looking forward to you searching out Cappy's to take advantage of our extensive fine wine, craft beer, and limited spirits offerings. Please click on the link below, download our app, select the store closest to you, and then be ready for Friday, January 2nd at 10 a.m. when these bottles go live. Thank you for choosing Cappy's, and we look forward to seeing you soon.